lot of these unboxings lately. I gotta tell you, it's my own fault. But I ordered a very large order from Ipsy that had almost all of their mystery bags in it. And then I was like, yeah, I want to open these up because I kind of did take a break in there. I had a brief hiatus where I wasn't opening up these mystery boxes. And then I was like, yeah, I want to open them up now. So I ordered a whole bunch of them. And now I keep opening these and I'm like, did I go overboard? Like, I kind of feel like I ordered too many. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings over here. Even outside of Ipsy, I do more unboxings. So if you've seen my videos and there's a lot of Ipsy unboxings lately, it's just temporary. It's just because this is what I ordered and what I have. But outside of this, I do have other boxes we open as well each month. So if you love unboxing videos, hit that subscribe button down below and come hang out with us. So today's Ipsy bag is called Express Yourself, which is kind of funny because I did not mean to match this bag, you guys. Like, I think it's a cute bag, but literally we're starting to blend into each other. So this is our Express Yourself mystery bag from Ipsy. If you enjoy this unboxing and would like to get one yourself, I will be posting a link down below. That way you can go and purchase one. I think it's available even for non-members of Ipsy, but I'm also going to post the link if you want to sign up for the Ipsy subscription. That way you can get access to it. But last I recalled, I think anyone can shop the Ipsy shop now. And I did get a coupon code that was able to be used in the shop. Now, I don't know if it's going to work still. It may not work on the mystery bags. I'm not really sure all of the details, but I will post that down below as well. And that way you can at least try it and see if it works. But I know I've got a code that will save you a little bit of money. But this is what the bag looks like up close. So it is just a purple satin bag. You can tell satin shows everything, you guys. So I think even, in transit, in shipping, maybe in the warehouse, it just looks like it's a little bit dirty in the light. But that's the thing with this fabric is that it will show everything. So this is what it will look like for all of the trim. You do get this fun little handle. The heart does have the Ipsy logo on the back, but then it is a pink charm. I do think that's really cute. So inside of our bag, it does have a really bright interior. This matches the other Ipsy bag that I already previously unboxed. That one was Love Your Texture or something like that. I think that's what it was called. And the idea is that they were partnering up with a corporation for Black History Month. And this is supposed to represent the black hair. And so they did it in this really cute, funky design where it looks like hearts, but it's supposed to be like strands of hair. Oh, thank goodness. I think they're full size. Phew, I think they're full-size products. So first item is from OPV Beauty. This is a primer. Okay. So this is I think it's full size. It looks full size. We're just going to go with that. 30 ml or 1 ounce. This primer says that it is a gold primer. So it actually has gold flecks in it, which is supposed to give you this brightening effect underneath of your makeup. So you'd put your primer on and then follow up with foundation, and that's gonna give that kind of brightening effect. It is cruelty-free, which is great, and it's made in KR. What is KR? Is that Korea? Is that what that stands for? Okay, cool. I've never seen it shortened like that. Usually it just says made in Korea. But anyways, outside of that, the ingredient list is really low, so I like that a lot. There's glycerin in here, there's shea butters as well. So it looks like it's also going to be hydrating and not dry out your skin. I'm not gonna open this one today because I think we all know what primers are. I mean, they're usually clear anyways. This will have a little bit of that gold tint, but I think I'm just gonna keep that for a future giveaway. We also have from Bare Minerals, this is their mascara. This is great. I mean, seriously, you guys, I feel like Ipsy has really improved with these mystery bags. It is a night and day difference with their bags this year. It's so much better. So this is the Maximist Mascara, and it is a phytofiber volumizing mascara, 9 ml. It mentions that 93% of people saw extreme volume instantly, which I hope that's true because you know, mascara typically will give you your results right away anyways. So I'm hoping it is extreme volume. It mentions that it is vegan and it has orange peel cellulose fibers, which will give you dramatic maxed out volume while fortifying for visibly thicker lashes over time. So it is clean beauty because it's cruelty free. It's also vegan. Love that. This is what the mascara will look like. I do get, you know, this Maximus vibe that they're going for. Like, it looks like a fat tube even. Oh, this is cool. They actually made this out of recycled plastic as well. So the bottle is all made with recycled materials. I love that. So that's very cool. It says we're committed to less plastic. They're working on doing this with all of their packaging at Bare Minerals, which is really commendable. So I really appreciate when brands will go that extra step and do that. So this is what the, is it huge or what, you guys? This is what the wand looks like. Look at these fibers to start with. I mean, oh my gosh, lots of them. But this is a fat wand. I mean, they are not joking. This is Maximus. I don't think I've ever seen such a large wand before. Even next to my eye, I feel like this is just huge. I'm a little afraid to use it. I'm not gonna lie. I just think I have a hard time not poking myself in the eyeball as it is with a normal wand. But now you get a wand that's like 4 times bigger and I'm like, yikes. The next item is from Byro. Really? This is an expensive brand. We have the Hydrangea Tea, which is their intense hydration serum. I mean, I am shocked right now. So this is cruelty-free, it's vegan, but it's also PETA approved. So they went that extra step and got that verification. 30 ml or 1 ounce, paraben-free, mineral oil-free. And it mentions that it's an intense hydrating serum. They are using hydrangea tea and oils that will give you long-lasting moisture. So it seems like a decent ingredient list. Packaging is cute when you open this up. Look at that. So fun. And then here is your glass bottle. Man, it's heavy, but very pretty. That blue is beautiful. And that's the actual product. So I do think the glass has a little bit of a blue tint to it, but the product itself is also blue. So just so you know, that's what you're looking at. We have Danessa Myrix too. This is a great bag. I mean, I really like this bag. Actually, I like the products better than I do the bag, but holy bananas. I can't believe what's happening right now. So our next item is from Danessa Myrix Beauty. Full-size product that we have here. This one is her powder. So it's priming, smoothing, and it's basically your facial powder. So the shade that we have is yellow, which I think we could figure out. That was pretty obvious. Yellow powder can also be great at doing some corrections as well. So if you do have some, you know, pigmentation, you want to correct it and make your skin a little bit more even, yellow can help to balance all of that out. But this one is a microfine, lightweight, translucent powder. So it's not going to have any color outside of that yellow tint. But when you put it down as a microfine powder, you're not going to see it. It's not going to interfere with your makeup at all. But it says it's designed to work with 8K TV and film and flash photography. So this will minimize the appearance of texture, fine lines, blur your skin, and it's also going to diffuse the light. So it will absorb oil, set your makeup, and then reduce the look of shine. If it wasn't in yellow, I would absolutely want to try this, but yellow is not a good color for my skin. I have too many red undertones, and so it kind of gets a little wonky with that. But I love the idea that you get a full blurring powder in here that sounds like it's the best on the market. So it's exciting, and to have it in the bag is still great because I know Danessa Myrix is not a cheap brand. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna look that up in my shade because I do want to try it. It sounds really good. I love the Huda Beauty Easy Baked powders. I have used that for years. It works for me. It's the best powder I have found to date. But this one sounds very promising. I would be willing to cheat on my Huda Beauty product to try that one out. But I gotta get a different shade. So the last item inside of our bag then today is a set of sheet masks. So I do hate when they do this. But also I can't complain. I mean, I can complain because I can. But you know what I mean? Like, I am able to complain. But I do think the other products are really good. So this one is a set of 2 masks. These are eye masks. and they are from Formula Z. So we have 2 of them here, but they're going to be the exact same thing. They are cruelty-free, they are vegan, and it says that these masks are going to help to soothe and depuff tired, irritated, and puffy eyes. There's hyaluronic Z technology in here, caffeine and niacinamide, which will take down dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. And it mentions that the Z technology is how they're giving you hydration and creating a volumized, plump look. That's the idea with this. Okay. So I don't know this brand. Cryo Lift Eye Masks is what it says. I like the packaging though. It's very psychedelic. The only reason why I don't love getting sheet masks in these bags is because sheet masks don't come in any other size. So they are full size by default. And I always feel like it's just like a cheap way to throw it into a $30 mystery bag. And it's like, that's not really great. You know what I mean? And they will put the masks in the regular glam bag as well, and like the mystery bags for that. And I'm always sitting here like, you need to decide, is it a full size product or are you putting it in the sample bag? Because it's never consistent. So I do think this is a really nice collection of items, even outside of the masks, but had the other items not been there, I would have been more upset with the masks. But all in all, because of how great the other 4 were, I think this was still a great win, even with them. So that is everything inside of the Express Yourself mystery bag from Ipsy. I'm going to be recommending this today, you guys. It is so nice to be able to do that, and I'm proud of them. I especially have seen the growth. I mean, seriously, I have done a lot of these unboxings. I am so happy that they are putting in here good full-size products. So we did have 5 of them inside of this mystery bag today. That's another relief. I like the fact that we have great brands in here, from Danessa Myrix to Bare Minerals by Ro. I mean, all of those fantastic brands, good amounts of product. I feel like I actually made money on this bag. So I spent about $34 for this with taxes. I always estimate these to be about $38 in total for them. I think I have at least $40 worth of products here. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of the Express Yourself bag? If you're interested in getting one, I will be posting the link down there as well, and that way you guys can try it out. Just keep in mind, it is a mystery bag. So sometimes Ipsy will change something after I upload my video. They sometimes won't change all of it, but they may swap a couple of the items out. So just keep that in mind. It's not a guarantee that you will get what I show you today, but I would assume it's going to be pretty close. So until next time, beautiful, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!